Tired of Docusign notifications going to an old, forgotten email address? Let's quickly update your Docusign email so you never miss an important document. Starting with logging into your Docusign account, head to Docusign.com and click Sign in using your current credentials. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. It usually displays your initials or profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the My Profile option. This will take you to your account settings. On the My Profile page, you'll see different sections related to your account information. Locate the email section. It should display your current registered email address. To the right of your current email address, you should see an Update button. Click on this button to initiate the email change process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the email address you want to associate with your Docusign account. Double-check for any typos. After entering your new email, click the Save button. Docusign will then send a verification email to your new email address. Go to your inbox and find the email from Docusign. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This confirms that you have access to the new email address and that you want to use it with your Docusign account. And that's it. Once verified, your Docusign account will be updated with your new email address. Now, all your important notifications will arrive at the right place.